Hi, I'll be I'll be explaining the code for the UI as an assignment on behalf of my team. My team consists of myself, Tom, Hasit, and Januka. So this is the interface that we have, let me just run it. Yeah, there we go. Yep. So this is the interface that we have developed for our Paint app. We have named it as Paintastic. It's fully functional, as you can see. We got the brush size, we got the select colors, we got undo, and we got colors, color palette, and we got save, create new file, delete the existing file, and help and about. So this is the basic interface that we have developed. If you look at the code, we got four main features in this interface. So we got tools. We got tools that consist of pencils and erasers. We got brush size. We got color palette. We got the option to save, create, or delete files. And we also have an option that shows like a basic instruction on how to use this interface on the help section, and an about section that shows like we developed this app or the interface. So if you look at the code, we can see that all the variables has been declared over here for all the features. The brush size consists of sizes from 1 to 10, which has been declared over here, and it has been set to 1 as default. If you go down, we can see the variables for the pencils has been created. The variables for the text has been created. By default, the settings is on pencil. Underneath that, we have declared the functions for each features. So we got use pencil, which is which by default is set to black. Eraser feature, which is set to white, which erases on the canvas. We got the select color. We got paint function. We got the paint write function. We got the save function, which saves the file, but by default, it saves as a JPEG file, and it can be saved into within your system wherever you want. And it shows up a message. Once you save the file, it shows up a message saying that do you want to open the file once it's saved? We can accept or ignore it. We got a clear function which clears the whole canvas, a create function which creates a new file, help function which shows the instruction on how to do it, an about function which basically we've coded it in a way that it shows that we have developed it and what is the name of the interface. We've got a write text feature which we can use it to write. We got a shapes feature. We got a function called on closing. The main purpose of this function is basically if the interface and a calendar infinite loop situation, the program is designed to terminate itself without creating additional errors. And these are so underneath that, we have coded all the frames for every single functions. So we got the tools frame. Within the tools frame, we have pencils and erasers. So the pencils and erasers variables has been called from above into the frame. We've got size frame, which shows the sizes from 1 to 10 and how the sizes interact within the canvas. We've got the color box frame, which shows the color palette. Got the colors frame, which is like a shortcut menu. It shows red, green, blue, yellow, orange, and purple has been set as presets. Or if you want more colors, you can use the select color feature, which takes you to the color palette feature, and you can choose from millions of combinations in there. Then we got the save image frame. So it basically saves the saves the file, and this is just the frame for that. The feature has been developed, defined above. So that's a save image framework. So we got save, new, and clear. Then we got the help frame for the help settings, which shows the instructions on how to use this interface. And we got the canvas itself. So we got the canvas itself consists of the button clicks. So when it's like the click and release has been defined over here. And we've got the shape frame. That's pretty much the interface. And we have compiled, so we have taken each features and we have added into separate Word docs, and we'll be uploading it to the LMS with the link for this video. That's pretty much from our side, and thank you for listening.